Okay, so this is my Warrior recumbent trike that I've been building over the last few months, made from the plans from atomiczombie.com. It's got a welded steel frame, 26-inch back wheel, 20-inch front wheels. It's got a disc brake on the back, which currently isn't hooked up yet. That's just going to be a parking brake. It has hydraulic disc brakes on the front 2 wheels. It's got a Shimano 27-speed gear system, 9 speeds on the back and 3 on the front. And the seat is definitely not final seat. This is just a placeholder. I'm going to build the proper seat this winter. So let's take it for a spin.
Sometimes you gotta push the shifter a little bit.
What's that?
I said sometimes you gotta push the shifter a little bit to get it to shift.
It's definitely got to get adjusted.
Yeah. Ride's nice and straight.
Yeah.
There you go. Woo!
Pop it.
What happened?
Nice.
Nice.